guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS deals video. I just want to say that I appreciate every support you all give to my channel. Everyone that came from Crazy Deals and Steals channel to join us last week, I would like to say welcome. I would like to give a big shout out to Stephanie from Crazy Deals and Steals. She uploads CVS haul videos every Sunday and she's amazing. Thank you for recommending my video to your subscribers. And if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to her channel, I suggest you go check her out and also support her. Let's go see what deals we can find. The first deal will be on spend 10 get $5 back on any Colgate total, and it's a limit of 2 per card. Picking up 2 of the Colgate totals priced at $5.29 each. These 2 items will come up to $10.58, and everybody received a 4 off 2 digital coupon today that will bring it down to $6.58, and you get $5 back, making both items $1.58 or 79 cents each. The next deal I'll be sharing will be on the Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care. It's a tier deal this week. Buy 2 get $4 back, or you buy 3 get $10 back. Remember, this deal doesn't track, you have to do it in one transaction. Picking up 2 of the Deep Clean Cleanser priced at $6.99. These 2 items will come up to $13.98. And I have this $2 coupon I got from coupons.com. It's still available, and we have one in our app. But if you don't have any paper coupon, you can use the one in our app and submit your receipt to coupons.com app for the second one. I also have a 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT. With the 2 coupons and the CRT, it will bring it down to $6.98, and I'll get $4 back, making both items $2.98 or $1.99 each. Any Axe deodorant or body spray is on buy 2 get $4 back, and it's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, limit of 1 per card. Picking up 2 of the Axe body spray, one will be $7.49 and the second one will be $3.75. These 2 items will come up to $11.24, and we all received the 2 off Axe digital coupon. I think we got that last week, so if you have not used yours, this would be a good time to use it. Check your email. If you're signed up with Unilever, I have a $1 Axe coupon that I can also print from my email to apply to this deal. After the 2 coupons apply, it will bring it down to $8.24, and I'll get $4 back, making both items $4.24 or $2.11 each. Buy Dove Men Plus Care, Axe or Degree Twin Pack, get $3 back, limit of 1. Picking up the Degree Twin Pack is the cheapest I can find. It's priced at $8.79. I don't have any paper coupon for this, but if you have any CRT that can apply to this, this would be a good time to use it. You pay the $8.79, get $3 back, making this twin pack $5.79. The next day will be on Eucerin, and the hand and body lotion or cream is part of it. It's on spend 15, get $5 back, limit of 1. Picking up one of the daily hydration cream priced at $14.78. This is within the 98% rule, so make sure your store follows that. We all received a $2 digital coupon today for this item, and I have a 3 off 12 lotion CRT that will also apply to this. The coupon and the CRT will bring it down to $9.48, and I'll get $5 back, making this item $4.48. The next deal will be on any banana boat or Hawaiian Tropic Sun Care. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back, and this is a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $11.90, one will be full price and the second one will be $5.95. And these 2 items will come up to $17.95. Everybody received a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and we have another matching $2 digital coupon in our app that will double dip with this and bring it down to $11.85, and I'll get $2 back. Check your Ibotta because I have a $3 back on each item. That will be a total of $6 back, making this item $3.85 or $1.93 each. St. Ives body wash is part of the buy 2 get $3 back limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the body wash priced at $4.99 each. 2 of them will come up to $9.98. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have any percentage of CRT, this will be a good time to use it because this is not on sale. I have to pay the $9.98, get $3 back, making both items $6.98 or $3.49 each. Buy 3 any soft soap liquid hand soap, 8 ounces or 11.25 ounces, you get $3 back. Picking up 3 of the 8 ounces, priced at $3.49 each. These 3 items will come up to $10.47. Check out softsoap.com because you can print out 50 cents coupon. If you can print out 3, use that. It will bring it down to $8.79 and get $3 back, making all 3 items $5.97 or $1.99 each. The next deal I'll be sharing will be on buy any raw sugar personal cleanser, get $2 back. And the cheapest item I can find is the liquid hand soap, priced at $5.29. I have no coupon for this, but if you have coupons or percentage of CRT, this will be a good time to use it, or pay the $5.29 and get $2 back, making it just $3.29. There are other items included in this, like the body wash, so if that's what you need, pick it up. This week, CoverGirl is on buy 2 get $4 back, limit of 1. I'll pick up the CoverGirl blush, priced at $6.99. And I'll also pick up the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Liner, Liquid Liner, priced at $7.99. If you still have the cheap eye pencils, you can pick that up, but we had a great deal last week, so it's all wiped out. I'll be using 2 of the $4 coupon from 618 Savings Set. It expired on Saturday, 7/1. And I also still have the $4 instant CRT from last week. You can use that as well. I received a text message of 3 off 10 cosmetic CRT. With the 2 coupons and the 2 CRTs, I will pay $0 and get $4 back, making both items free and a $4 money maker. Even if you don't have your $4 instant CRT, this can still turn out to be a great deal. Garnier facial care is on buy 2 get $5 back, and this is a limit of 1 per card. Picking up 2 of the blackhead eliminating scrub, priced at $7.49 each. My store only have 2, so picking up 2 of this will bring it up to $14.98. I have a 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT, and I also got some coupons from coupons.com. It's no longer available. I'll be using 2 of that. It will bring it down to $8.98 and get $5 back. Check your Ibotta, because mine, I have a $2 back on each one of them. That will be a total of $4 back from Ibotta, and it will end up making these 2 products free and a 2 cents money maker. The next deal will be on Chic or Skintimate disposable razor. It's on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back, and this is a limit of 1. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $9.99, 2 of them will come up to $14.99. And in 6/4 savings set, there is a $4 coupon that expired on 7/1 that if your store still accepts, you can use that. Those coupons will bring it down to $6.98 and you get $3 back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. But if you have a 3 off 15 Skintimate CRT, you can do the ladies as well. Just adjust your math. The next deal will be on spend 15, get $5 back on any off, raid or stem insecticides or repellents. Picking up 2 of the fruit flies priced at $9.49, and I have this $7.50 off 2 coupon I got from coupons.com. If you don't have this coupon, you can just pay the full price, then submit your receipt to coupons.com app and get your $7.50 back, which is also a good way if you have extra care box. That way you can recycle your money. After the $7.50 coupon come off, it will bring it down to $11.48, and I'll get $5 back. And I also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each item. If this is not the type of product you want to buy and you want to buy the off product, I will be sharing a second way to do this deal. Pick up 2 of the off insect repellent priced at $10.99. I will be picking up 2 of this because this is the only one that is attaching to my Ibotta rebate. We have a $3 back on each one of them, limit of 5. These 2 products will come up to $21.98. I have 2 $3 coupon I got from coupons.com. It's no longer available. I hope you printed yours out as well. It will bring it down to $15.98 and I'll get $5 back. And I also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each one of them. The next deal will be on spend $30 get $10 back, limit of 1. Pick up 1 of the Tide detergents on sale for $12.99 and use the $3 app coupon for this. And also the Bounty on sale for $15.99, and we all received a 50-cent coupon that will also apply to this. To get to 30, the Febreze air freshener is on sale for $3.94. I don't have any coupon for this. These 3 items will come up to $32.92. That's above the spend 30. That way we can get the $10 back. We have a $3 app coupon for the Tide, and for the Bounty, we have a 50-cent coupon. With the 2 coupons, it will bring it down to $29.42, and you get $10 back, making all 3 items $19.42 or $6.47 each. If you have a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT, this will be a perfect deal to add to it. The next items I picked up is not giving back any extra care box, but we have some good rebates for it. The Gatorade Fast Switch is on sale for 2 for $4.50, and if you buy just 1, it will be $2.89. Picking up 5 will bring it up to $11.89. We have a coupon on coupons.com, but it's not attaching to this. When they scan the coupon, it always beeps. So I'm only giving this deal without the coupon. After you pay the $11.89, you submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each one of them, and it's a limit of 5. And since you're picking 5, you'll be getting $5 back. And also my fetch reward, I have a 1,250 points back, and it's a limit of 5 as well. That means I'll be getting back 6,250 points. And you can also submit your receipt to coupons.com app for $1 back, although you bought 5, but you can only get 1. And after all the rebates come back, it will make these 5 items free and a few cents money maker. You can also add any CRT you have that can attach to this to make this deal even better. My store has some clearance items. I just decided to take some videos and show you guys. Like this item is on sale for $3.24 and that's 75% off. And some of the Yes Max is on sale as well for 75% off. And you can see this under eye mask as well on sale for 99 cents. So look through it and check your store. Hopefully you have it and see if you can score any. This is where my video ends. Thanks for watching my video this week and for your support, and I'll see you all next week.